Ready to explore PTV Hub's models? This is your gateway to seamlessly managing your vZoom, Visum, and Vistro desktop models in the cloud. With PTV Hub Models, you can efficiently organize, review versions, and securely share your models and scenarios, all within the safety of your PTV Hub subscription. Upload your models directly from your desktop to the cloud, and create unique revision notes so your collaborators know what's been changed in each file or scenario. What if you make a big mistake? Well, there's no need to worry. With PTV Hub Models, you can easily revert to any previous version. This restores your work in just a few clicks. But that's not all. PTV Hub Models also offers cloud computation capabilities, providing your organization with scalable, on-demand processing power. Access computing power when you need it most, like when you're up against a tight deadline. Whether you're running dozens of Visum simulations for calibration or tackling a 24-hour demand model in vZoom, cloud computation in PTV Hub Models is a perfect solution for resource-intensive tasks. Run models concurrently or in parallel, and let Hub's cost tracking handle everything by automatically deducting computation time from your subscription's monthly allowance. And here's the best part for your IT team. Running calculations in the cloud means your desktop licenses remain fully available, so you can continue working without interruptions. Cloud processing offloads heavy computational tasks from your local machine, boosting efficiency by keeping you focused on modeling. Plus, it frees up any additional licenses that would otherwise be tied up on spare in-house computers used for processing, maximizing your resources. PTV Hub Models streamline your workflows and unleashes the power of the cloud. Learn more about PTV Hub coming up next.